Good evening, guys. I'm just doing my first little video. Gonna give it a go on the 30th of November. It's around 21 degrees. The big light switch on in the square. It's at 7 o'clock tonight with the tree and everything. Not 100% sure what's going off, but let's just have a little walk and see. I'm at the top end of Los Gigantes. I'm sure a lot of people know if you've been before. If you haven't, it's the main road in that's going down. So already, you know, the lights are on the lamp post. Let's have a little walk and see how it comes out. Mama Lucy is closed tonight. I do believe that's a really nice Italian restaurant as well. But I'm sure anybody watching this video that's been in there can comment on it. Because I've not actually been in, but I've heard a lot of people saying it's nice. Mind you, I do believe there's a lot of nice restaurants in Los Gigantes. And the same again, if somebody wants to comment on the video when I do upload it, it's helping others out that have never been before. So yeah, this is the main road in. And I do believe the new building up there, don't know when it's going to be finished, next year sometime I believe. Crystal Suites or something they call it a little bit further on, which is stunning. And I think it's called the Royal Sunset Resort as well. We'll have a little walk up there sometime. This is my first little video, just wanting to have a little walk and try it out. And let's just turn it round so I can say hello. I don't want to show my face too much anyway, I just want to show you the walk. So I'll turn it back round. And I'll try not to talk too much. I do like talking in person to people. Don't know how it's going to come out on the video. And just to let you know, guys, yeah, my name's Steve. I'm sure I'll have met a few of you that will watch this video. And I've been in Los Gigantes just 2 years May gone. I have a little business called Top 10 Excursions, where I do all the tickets for the tours round the island, the Science Park, a couple of boat trips, things like that, and just general information to help you out if you've not been here before, to make your holiday more enjoyable. So yeah, that's me. Thought they might have a few more lights on here. Obviously there's not that many lamp posts, so I'm sure there would have been more if so. But if I remember rightly, last year, and I'm sure it might be up later, I will actually have another walk round. If they put it up, there was a villa at the end that was absolutely amazing what somebody had done with all the lights and the decorations. Obviously they've not put theirs up yet, but let's just have a head down and see where we end up in the square, see what's happening. yeah, if this all works, guys, what I'd like to do, I'm not going to be one going around reviewing places, but I can go around and show people where the restaurants and the bars are, so it helps people out when they get here. Because like I say, I do believe there's some great restaurants and some great bars. Obviously I don't want to spend my time reviewing them, because as well I think what I like somebody else might not, etc. So I'll just stick to what I know about, you know, helping people to see the island a bit more, because there's some fantastic day trips out if you want to get out and about and explore. So that's my forte really. But anyway, we're not far now. I do believe that's a place to holiday, the Harbour Club. People say it's nice. Like I say, I've not been in many of the places because I've just been stuck in my office trying to get that business off the ground. So I just hear what people say when they come here, and I speak to them in the office. A few people have told me it's nice, and coming up here in front of us, the El Sombrero, I've heard a few people staying in there. So when we do go down this corner, I'm not going to go down the road where my business is, because they're doing the road at the moment, even though you can still get through to come and see us. There's a couple of little shops at the end of the street. That's the El Sombrero, which is a good little spot as well. And yeah, if you're staying at the top of the hill, it's all downhill to get here. As you can see, it's not took me long, but it's getting back up. A lot of people have put off with Los Gigantes because of the hills. But it's not that bad. And taxis back up to the top of the hill, you're talking about €3, €4, €5, whatever it is, depending on where you're staying, €6. Like I say, I'm not going to do too much tonight, because the Tipsy Terrace and the bus stops up there, which I'm going to explain to you about the bus service and everything another time. Just actually want to go and see what's happening with the display, which they've said the big switch on is going to be 7 o'clock. And that's a nice place as well, people say, the wine bar. My shop's just a little bit down that street where they're doing the new road at the moment, but that's for another day. So yeah, what they've done at the moment, they made this a two-way in and out, while they block the road up. There's a Chinese there as well, which I've never been in. But anybody that's watching this video can comment and let us know. Lovely little Venezuelan woman that's got this mini market that's open till quite late, and she does food and drinks. I think it's one of the latest ones actually. Around 1 o'clock she closes. There's not much open late in the village, I do believe. The Island Paddy, which is a great entertainment bar, they're open till around 2 o'clock, I believe. Anybody in the comments can say them again, explain more than me, because like I say, I haven't been getting out to see what the other businesses do. I've heard great things about them all, so yeah, as you can see, it's all downhill. I don't know how long it's took me, I haven't looked at the time. But like you say, it's just walking back up, but there's plenty of taxis around. And if you pop in most restaurants and bars and you've had something to eat and you want to go straight back home before a drink, or you want to go for a drink and then back home, the bars will in fact, instead of going that way, because that's down to the port, I'm just going to go in here because it looks very, very busy, and just see if I'm going to be in time to see this switch on, whatever they're doing. Yeah, there looks a lot of people here, so they're all here for something, all here for the big switch on. So yeah, you've got the Island Paddy just there. Like I say, a very popular entertainment bar. Well, there's a couple of guys on stilts here, but this guy that's stood here, I don't think he needs any. Big guy. So yeah, there's a few bars and restaurants down here. Green Corner, Bar Sangria. You've got Domingo's Bar. I don't know if that's open tonight as well. I'll have a walk up there sometime. And you've got the Cocktail Bar as well. A guy called Paul, who's a nice guy that's got that. Up there, El Pescador, if it's pronounced that way. Restaurant, few little shops, and this is the little village. And another night I'll go down to the marina, because there's plenty of little restaurants down there as well.
Hast du die andere schon entdeckt? Nein, ich habe die Spitze da oben mit.
Yeah, there's certainly something going off, so we shall see. Okay guys, shall I stay on or shall I just switch off for a bit? What time is it? Oh, 5 minutes. Let's have a little walk round this part here. There's another restaurant here, but obviously it's closed tonight. And I believe these two restaurants are really nice as well. So there is plenty of choice. I'm just going to get round on this side. Yeah, it's very busy tonight, guys. One thing about Los Gigantes, I think it's about 21 degrees still tonight. Supposedly, from what people have told me, is the sunniest part of the whole island. This little west north coast side does get the better weather all year round. And with me living down south for a long time, I thought it might be a bit cooler up here, but it's not. But for all you guys obviously coming over here on holiday, some people love it because it's nice and peaceful and quiet. It's definitely one of the safer, nicer parts of the island. It's only a small little village, but some people like a little bit more going off, where down south has got more bars and more things to choose from. This has still got enough if you like it nice and quiet and peaceful. And obviously you've got Porto de la Cruz as well, which is another nice part of the island. Yeah, a little bit more green and a little bit more cloudy, rain so everybody says, but still same again. You get a lot of people over that side that they enjoy it more for the culture as well on the other side. So yeah, let's see what happens. I make it 7:01. So recording for 18 minutes. Just play about with it and see. Hold on. Turn that way. Just want to play about with it, guys. So I think that goes right. There, the steps going up as well, which you can come into Los Gigantes that way as well. Yeah, it does work. Oh, so here we go, 7 o'clock. This means the big switch on, does it? So with the tree in the square as well. Is that should be switched on, I think, at 7. Let's see, I don't know, I've never done it before. Not in Los Gigantes for the big switch on anyway. There's plenty of people here. Hello again. Hiya. Not on me now, let's turn it round because we might miss it. Well, obviously after the bells dinged, I thought at 7 o'clock that might be something happening, but I make it 2 minutes past. I'm sure it's worth the wait. Let's see. It looks like there must have been something going off in the church because they're coming out of there as well now, so they probably are waiting for them. Looks like it.
Il faut en tout cas veiller parce que depuis notre manière.
If I'm sending you dizzy, guys, but I'm just playing around with seeing with the little joystick that it has. It's like I say, it's my first time and I'm not used to it yet, but we'll get there. Hola. Plenty of people still coming as well. Bringing the kids in. It's a good job they are a little bit late because they would have missed it. So I make it 7 minutes past. But as the saying goes, better late than never. I think they're just waiting for a few coming out of the church, I believe. Well guys, I could have had a little walk round a bit more rather than just stood in this one spot, but I'm sure if I were to start walking round something had happened, so I'm just going to play it out here for the moment.
Viskas pridaryta pakošai išliekti, stengti daugiau administravimas ir mokėjimas ir visą tas.
As you can hear, I've got a guy on the phone outside of me. If anybody can tell me what language that is, maybe Russian or Ukrainian or something Eastern European, I'd like to know. Just wish I could speak every language under the sun. Up and down again. I know down south, guys, we get a lot of people selling their watches and the bling bling bling, and they're all doing a service if people want to buy it. But up here we don't get many. I think there's only 2 lads in the village. They're nice, they're friendly. We don't get it like we do down south. They're still coming. I think it may be as well, obviously, the people from the town hall and call it Santiago del Teide, the people, which is not far, which is a really nice place as well, just to visit for the day.